Hey guys, my name is Mohammad Amir Haider Rizvi and welcome to Tech Code. So today I'm going to show how to make a Canva account. Okay, so to make a Canva account, we have to go to your Chrome browser. Okay, I will use a Brave right here. Okay, now we go to canva.com. The link is in the description. You can go check it out. Now we will click on sign up for free. Now click on continue with email. Okay, now we will put the email. So we have to show you guys, I will just use a temporary mail. Okay, it is loading our temporary email. Now we will have to click on continue. Now we will just put any name. I will just put try for YouTube. Okay, password. Okay, now click on continue. Now a mail will come. Okay, an email will come to your inbox. 382724. 382724. Let me check once again. Okay, it is correct. Okay, it is loading. So we have no team. I will just click on maybe later. Now we will click on personal. You can click anything. Now click on maybe later. Um, on the click on let's go. Okay, the celebration has come. So now you can use anything. I will show to you guys by using a whiteboard. Okay, the whiteboard is loaded. Next, 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 and next. So now you can do anything. Let's put a text. Add a text box. Hi, YouTube. Welcome to Tech Code. Okay, now to share this to anyone, we have to click on here, share. Okay, you can also click on here, view only link. Now we can click on copy and we have to go here, the share it. Okay, you will see. Okay, hi YouTube, welcome Tech Code. Let's react it. Okay. So this is for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.